everyone, welcome to Tuesday. Now we are working on opinion writing, so writing an opinion paragraph, and you will remember we need an opening, two opinion sentences or reasons, and a closing. Now what you'll notice is something very interesting. We are missing a sentence, and that's because we need to memorize the two middle sentences. So I'm not going to cover that part yet. I'm going to see if you remember what goes there. But right now we are going to focus on talking about what field trip you liked the best. So there were two field trips we went on. We went on the Discovery Gateway Museum field trip, and we also went to the Hogle Zoo. Now I'm going to write about the Hogle Zoo. You don't have to, but I'm just going to give you an example. Now if I say, in my opinion, I think the zoo is the best, in my opinion, I think the zoo was the best field trip, that's fine, but I'm going to use the name Hogle Zoo because there are many different zoos, and Hogle Zoo is a proper noun. So, in my opinion, I think Hogle Zoo was the best field trip. Okay, there's my opening. Do you remember what I need to put right here? I'm going to give you a couple seconds to think. Okay, if you said, I feel this way because, you are correct. So, let's say it 5 times. I feel this way because. 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 Okay, so I'm going to tell you why I feel this way. I feel this way because I get to see so many different animals. Okay, now this is the part I did not take away for today, but next time this needs to be memorized for tomorrow. I also think this because. So let me write that. I also think this because. And friends, I'm having you do this because on Thursday we're going to have a test and you only get the first sentence, the opening, and the closing. So, I also think this because. 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 Okay, I'm going to tell you why I think this. Because I was able to spend time with my students and walk around the zoo. Hold on. I was able to walk outside and spend time with my awesome students! Exclamation mark. Now remember, awesome is how I feel. That's an opinion. Okay, and then I have my closing. So my closing, I'm just plugging in Hogle Zoo. I think that is why I think blank was the best field trip. So I'm going to write, that is why I think Hogle Zoo was the best field trip. Okay, so let's read this. In my opinion, I think Hogle Zoo was the best field trip. Don't forget the comma after opinion. I feel this way because I get to see so many different animals. I also think this because I was able to walk outside and spend time with my awesome students. That is why I think Hogle Zoo was the best field trip. Okay, now please don't forget to memorize these two middle ones because tomorrow I'm going to make you help me from your memory. Okay, see you tomorrow.